after the recent successful launch of a Colombian satellite by Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, along with other countries on board PSLV C-43, another South American country. Brazil is getting ready for launching its satellite in 2020. Confirming this, a representative of the Brazilian Space Agency, AEB, said, "The launch with PSLV in 2020 is confirmed, but the date and month has yet to be decided as it is dependent on the schedule of the Indian Space Agency ISRO." Designed, assembled and tested in Brazil, the Amazonia 1 satellite will be the first satellite for Earth observation. And, Amazonia 1 will be the primary payload, not a hitchhike satellite. As reported earlier, at the 6th BRICS summit in 2014, both India and Brazil had inked agreement for setting up a Brazilian Earth station that will receive data from Indian satellites. ISRO already has the facility to impart training on how to operate the station and gather data through remote sensing, which will be used by Brazilian scientists for training. Since early 2000s, many documents for space cooperation are signed at government level and at space agency level between India and Brazil. Brazil received data from India's RISERSAT-1 satellite during October 2009 to September 2013 and currently receiving data from RISERSAT-2 since October 2014. Ground stations in Brazil, Alcantara and Cuiabá, provided tracking support for Indian satellite, Chandrayaan-I, Megatropics, MOM, and Astrosat, on commercial basis. Amazonia 1 is currently in the pre-launch phase of the Integration and Testing Laboratory, LIT, of INP. The Amazon mission will provide remote sensing data, images, to observe and monitor deforestation especially in the Amazon region, as well as the diversified agriculture throughout the country with a high rate of revisit, seeking to work in synergy with existing environmental programs.